Hey, you're looking to buy a home and you're trying to figure out what loan product is going to work for you. Well, I'm here. I'm Evantz Saint-Gerard, and my special guest is Fernando Lopez. Today, we're going to be discussing DSCR loans. In a nutshell, what exactly are those?
Okay, this is a new program, that is offered by the lenders, for people that they cannot show income. It's called DSCR, Debt Servicing Coverage Ratio. The debt servicing coverage ratio, meaning that people can buy a property, correct, as long the rental income of the property covers the full mortgage payment, meaning principal, interest, property taxes, and homeowners insurance. I mean, the lender is looking for the best scenario, at least 1-to-1, meaning that if the payment is $5,000, the rent should be $5,000. Also, you got the option, to get the loan. Let's say that the rent is, the payment is $4,000 and the rent is $3,000, meaning 75% of the mortgage payment. You got the option to get financing on those two. I mean, these are investment property loans. We are using the full rental income of the property to qualify. Remember, the most important thing here is that the rent should cover at least 75% of the mortgage payment. The ideal is 1, and the best deal is if the rent is higher, than the mortgage payment. But also, you don't need to own a property to buy this investment property. You can buy this property without owning any property or no landlord experience. Okay?
All right, that brings me to my next question. Who's the typical applicant for this type of loan, and why do they choose this option? You already mentioned some.
Yeah, the best option is because you don't have to show income. Secondly, is because if you don't own a property, you can buy as an investment. They allow you to buy as an investment property. The basic point here is that the rent should cover the mortgage payment. You can buy 1 to 4 families or condominiums on this.
That was going to be my next question. What kind of properties? You already answered my question.
Yeah.
So, are there flexibility or any unique advantages offered in this kind of loan and that aren't found in any other loan programs?
As an investment property, it's a different animal as a primary residence. The lenders treat it differently. Investment property, you got pre-penalties. The pre-penalties usually is, guarantee that the profit for the lender. Usually they do 5 years, 4 years, 3 years, 2 years, or 1 year, or no pre-penalty. You can negotiate when you do, the pricing option with the lender. They say, okay, I want to keep this property or this program for 3 years. Okay, they give you the rate with 3-year pre-penalty. You want to say, I want 1 year, this loan. Okay, they give you 1 year pre-penalty. Of course, as low they prepay, the higher is going to be the rate.
Okay, all right. You know what? You gave us a lot of information. And again, like I say in all these videos, you have to partner up with the right people. For an expert like this, how do you reach him? That's your number one question. How do they reach you?
Always send my cell number. Okay, you can contact me, and my number is 917-418-9402. En español es 917-418-9402. You guys can call me anytime. I will always pick up the phone, return the phone calls, the text. I'm working always in realtors hours, okay? Even weekends, you can contact me.
I'm laughing because he read my mind, because that was going to be the next question. I was going to ask him, how do you say it in Spanish? But I'm Evantz Saint-Gerard, your local realtor here in Queens, Long Island, Brooklyn, the Bronx. Pretty much you have questions about real estate. I partner up with loan officers such as Fernando, who are equipped to help you answer your questions, your burning questions that you have. Let's face it, right now in this environment, there's a lot of questions that are being raised, and people want answers. So that's why we were putting out these videos. We want to make sure that we're resources to you and your family, so you can make the best possible decision for yourself. So with that being said, you can reach me on my cell phone at 917-975-5985. You can also reach me at my office line, which is 718-475-2760. The website is mynyhomesales.com. If you have any questions about real estate or lending, mortgage lending, feel free to reach out to us. And Fernando, you got the last words.
Yes. Remember, not only you can buy a property with the DSCR program, even you can refinance a property. You can cash out. People that have no option, going to a lender or a bank, with this program, they have the opportunity to do, the next step for taking money out or to buying a property. A lot of these people are buying, investors are using these programs because they got the flexibility. They grab the properties now and do the better finance on the property in the future.
If they can do it, you can do it too. So call us.
Take care, guys. Bye.